everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to generate gears and worms using the extra objects add-on in Blender. So let's get started. Shift A, go over gears. Let's add a gear, for example. It's gonna be showing this menu over there, and click on this drop down menu. We have all those factors with a few simple parameters. We can create many gears. The gear and worm objects work the same. The easiest way to use this tool is to just play with settings. It is very easy to get real-time feedback of any changes we make in the operator panel. For example, number of teeth, and you can see it clearly over here. All the changes, you can change the number of teeth for this gear. So you can change the radius, and you can see it in real time. You have the width, you can change the width. Also the base, you can change the base. And we have the addendum over there, you can change it like this. The addendum, can change that value. The pressure angle, let's increase it. Skewness and conical angle. I have also the crown. You can change the crown like this, set it to 0. Then also it's going to be changing the location of that gear. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching.